Hi, I'm Olivier from Activity Messenger, and today we're going to learn how to create a timesheet online, as well as how to get people to fill it out from a QR code. So the first thing we're going to do is going to create the timesheet. You can add questions like payroll number, what's the type of work they've been working on, the location, and then what shifts are they actually putting into their timesheet, right? You can add the sign, and you can even have different admin notes. And then if you click on the plus, you can add multiple other blocks into this, but let's just keep it simple for now. So if I go and visit and fill this form, so this form has a unique QR code. So when people scan a QR code, let's say in the break room, they'll get right into this form. So if I go in and put my information like this, and then I could say, okay, I actually worked 9 to 5 on that date, and on that date it was 1 to 9. So if you can pre-schedule some shifts, so it's really quickly, and I sign off on it, click on submit, and then the form is signed. Now, if I go back here, I can see the respondents, and then I can see all the visible columns that I want to see. So if I want to see this information, and then it tells me, 16-hour shifts, and it tells me the date, you can export all that data into your payroll system. Now, how do you get employees to fill it out, right? A few ways you can do that. So if you click on share, you actually have a unique link that when people click on it, they fill it out. But there's also a QR code. So we see a lot of businesses just print that QR code in the break room so people can go in and fill out their shifts as they come along. You can even ask them to add comments about their shifts and things like that. You can also send this, see who has filled this form. So I can say, okay, let's filter the last 2 weeks and see who has filled this form or not. I'm going to compare it to, let's say, this list of 8 people, and it's going to tell me who has not filled this form, right? So you can track who's filled their timesheet during the period, and then say, actually, I need to send this back to people who have not filled it. So I'm going to click send to people who have not filled it. And then from there, I can use SMS or email. Please complete this form, before you can kind of change that text. When they click on that link, it's actually going to open up the form, and they'll be able to give you the hours. You can even schedule this message to go out. So let's say only send to people who have not filled it during this week, but I could say, actually, let's add a form and let's select this one. And then I want to schedule it out, right? And I could say, I want this message to go out weekly, and it's actually going to look at who hasn't filled that form during that week and send them a text or an email. So it really gets the answers really quickly from your staff, and you're not emailing back and forth or collecting your timesheets, manually, which takes a lot of time out. So yeah, hope this was useful. Let me know if you want more information.